Hello friends, welcome to the channel Wild and Raw Nature. And today's our story is India's endangered gharial crocodile making comeback with 1500 plus hatchlings in Chambal River. And it's a good news for wildlife lovers. Along the Chambal River, a precious natural event unfolds, and more than 1,500 baby gharials, which are fish-eating crocodiles, and one of the India's most endangered reptiles, have hatched. These eggs, nurtured in the sands of the Chambal, are the result of the meticulous conservation efforts of the reptiles, whose existence has been threatened by the human activities. The National Chambal Gharial Sanctuary has overseen this project, and gharials, recognized by their elongated snouts and numerous teeth, are distinct from crocodiles and specializing in fishing and known for their shyness and grace. This success story comes from the targeted conservation efforts by the Forest Department personnel and wildlife experts to protect the critical breeding site along the river. Female gharials lay eggs meticulously in the sandy banks too close to the water. They risk flooding, too far overheating. Rangers help protect these precarious nests. Usually left undisturbed, some eggs are occasionally relocated to semi-natural hatcheries if weather conditions or poaching risks are high. As monsoon approaches, a wave of hatchlings burst forth. Once the baby gharials hatch, they are placed under quarantine for 15 days to protect them from infections. And during this period, they are given a chemical bath as part of their care. Once the baby gharials hatch, they are replaced under quarantine for 15 days to protect them from infections. Interestingly, the young gharials do not need to be fed during quarantine. They survive by absorbing the remaining nutrients from the yolk, and they are kept at the center until they grow to a length of 1.2 meters. After reaching this size, they are released into the water. And Chambal, declared a sanctuary in 1979, not only provides refuge to gharials but also to other rare species like the Gangetic dolphins and Indian skimmers. Despite the sanctuary status, threats like illegal sand mining endanger